So clear and knowing is the, so mind has the aspect of knowing. So that knowing, now you know me, right? You're looking at me through this video. You know that you're seeing me, and you know you're hearing. So knowing can manifest through eyes, can see, through the ear, can hear, and bodily, also smell, taste, sensation, and then thought, emotion, all this are knowing. But the essence of knowing, there's a clarity, clear. It's like lamp. So when there's a lamp, the lamp has two qualities. One, the lamp can illuminate things around. If there's a cup next to the lamp, you can see the cup because of the lamp. But at the same time, the lamp has quality of self-illuminating, the self-luminosity. Lamp is the light. You don't need to use flashlight to see the lamp itself. Cup always need to rely on the light to see the cup. But the lamp is the light. So our mind is just like that. So knowing things around and itself is clarity, the self-luminosity.